Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Oh, hello. I was just sharing a little Christmas spirit with my family. Everyone's here. My wonderful kids, my beautiful wife, some guy. Hey, my wife's cheating on me. What can I do? It's all right because not only is she here, but I also have my beautiful mistress. How you doing, baby? Oh, yes. Yes, they're all here because Christmas is that special time of year for me to poop on. Right now, we're all cracking the Yule log, decorating the tree, and of course, pooping on it. Oh, yes. Come on, you know you want it, baby. Oh, hello. I was just sharing a Christmas sex toy with my mistress. Right now, the Triumph family kids are all getting ready to sing "O Come All Ye Faithful." No, I don't want to be on TV. I don't want to do this. Shut up! You're going to do it like I told you. I don't. I want to be an engineer. Shut up, you fairy! I'm going to college. I'm going to Texas A&M. And of course, we'll have another great Christmas tradition. Triumph's College All-America football team.
Jarius Jackson, the quarterback, Notre Dame.
Hey, you know. That's right. Hey, folks, you know Jarius here is one heck of a quarterback for me to poop on.
Sebastian Janikowski, plays kicker, Florida State.
All right. Attaboy. Good for you. That's right, folks. Hey, you know they say Sebastian has one strong leg for me to poop on.
David Boston, wide receiver, Ohio State.
All right. That's right, Ohio State. Hey, you know, folks, I hear David runs the 40 in 4.1 seconds. For me to poop on! Let's hear it for the high school or whatever, all-American people, whatever they are. Let's give it a hand for them. College, yes. Oh, yes, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, hello. I was just having a three-way with my mistress and the sheep. Right now, all the kids are enjoying some eggnog, so everyone is happy, right? No, it's not true. I hate you, Father. I hate you. Shut up! No. Shut up, you're happy. No, Father, I think I'm gay. I don't hear this. I didn't hear this, Father. I didn't hear this. You've got to deal with it. Everything's fine. Yes. And we'll have a special musical guest as well. That's right, folks. Television moderator Conan O'Brien.
Let it snow, let it.
All right. Folks, may the good Lord, thank you very much. A little more?
No!
Okay. May the good Lord bless us and poop on us all.
Yeah.